What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create presentation slides automatically for free using Claude. So let's get started. To generate our presentation slides using Claude, here we're going to prompt it and tell it, I'm putting together a presentation slide deck for Lax Automation, an automation agency able to automate tasks for business owners. Search my Google Drive for a document, Lax Automation Agency, in the title. So this is a document right here with our core offers, target audience, business process, and why business owners should choose us. So we are telling it to retrieve these documents, which has example offers that we offer our clients, then pull relevant information to build out these slides. We would like a total of 10 slides. Make sure to include executive summary, their challenges, our solutions, how it addresses their specific situations, implementation approach, pricing, case study, timeline, and next steps. And then for the design, we would like a clean and professional, but not sterile presentation deck. I want something modern and approachable while still appropriate for business executives. Use premium typography and our brand colors from the logo I'm uploading. Make sure the text is conservatively sized so nothing gets cut off, and verify that no elements overlap. And here we're going to upload our logo. So I click on add files to upload our logo. You can see we uploaded our logo here. Now to generate our presentation slide decks using Claude, I'll hit enter. So here you can see, so let's give it a minute or two for it to complete generating our presentation slide decks. So it has retrieved our document right here, and it's using the document to generate our slides. Let's give it a minute or two for it to build the presentation for us. Yeah, you can see it successfully generated our presentation slides right here. Generated all 10 slides over here. This is incredible. You can see the 10 slides right here. So this is the first slide. Here's the second slide, the executive summary. Here's the third slide right here. Fourth slide, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and the last slide right here. The call to action. This is really incredible. This is really impressive. This is exactly what we wanted, as you can see right here. So Lax Automation, building the digital nervous system for high growth businesses. Incredible copywriting, as you can see. Here's the executive summary. We build systems that let your business run without you. And we're leading with the problem that we're solving, the cost of inefficiency, lead leakage, operational drag, inconsistent outputs, and scaling bottlenecks. And our solution, we provide 5 integrated service pillars that transform manual chaos into autonomous, scalable workflows. As you can see over here, so intelligent AI agents, lead generation and outreach automation, content systems, operations automation, and AI strategy consulting. Why choose us? We've mastered automation tools. We do data first intelligence, quiet business philosophy, and human in the loop. And here's our implementation approach, where we do research and assessment, and we develop the workflows and tests, and then we launch. Here's our pricing right here. Starter is $1,500. Growth is $3,500. And here you can see we provided a case study where we perform lead generation for a digital agency. And here are the results. So we save them 32 hours a week. The lead response rate increased by almost 3.5. They had fast onboarding and no extra headcount needed. And here's the timeline. Week 1, we can kick off an audit. Then we build and test and launch. Between week 2 and 3. Then we optimize and scale. And then lastly, We have the last slide, which is a call to action slide right here. If you're ready to build your digital nervous system, you can schedule a call with us right here. So this is incredible. So we use Claude to generate this incredible slide for us. So to download it, all you have to do is just come over here and click on download to download the presentation. And you can see it was downloaded to a computer. This is really incredible. So you don't have to use any AI generator tools. You can just prompt and Claude and tell it to generate for you these presentation slides in the format that you'd like. Right here, we can try regenerating presentation slides for a different company. So to do that, I'll click on new chart right here. So we can tell Claude, create a high quality presentation slide deck for this company, which is Stellar. And here's their website URL. The audience is the head of growth. So we are telling Claude, analyze the website to understand their product, positioning, and target users. Tell us a screen recording and video creation tool focused on creators, founders, and teams who want to produce polished videos quickly without complex editing. Based on that, infer their likely growth and revenue bottlenecks, such as low trial to paid conversion, weak onboarding, and under-leveraged user-generated content for acquisition. Then go ahead and create 10 slides tailored specifically to this company and role. The content should feel deeply relevant, not generic. The executive summary should highlight their growth ceiling. Problem and opportunity should reflect real friction in their funnel. And the solution should present a clear system that improves activation, conversions, and retention. Then explain how the solution directly impacts their current setup and keep implementation practical for a lean system. Include a realistic case study for a similar product that improved growth through better onboarding or lifecycle systems. Frame pricing around value and revenue lift, not cost. The timeline should feel executable, and close with a clear next steps that encourage a response. The tone should be modern, sharp, and strategic, suitable for a high-level growth conversation. To generate our presentation slide deck for this specific company, I'll hit enter right here and give it a minute or two for it to generate our presentation slide deck. Here, you can see that it successfully generated our 10 slide presentation right here. This is incredible. So what is inside? It included a cover, executive summary, problem, opportunity, the solution, tell us specific fit, case study, investment and value, 90-day timeline, and the next steps. So here you can see the 10 slides that it successfully generated for us over here. Look how beautiful it is. This is really incredible. So unlock Teller's next growth ceiling. Roadmap to improve activation, conversion, and retention for all. Screen recorder build for builders. This is incredible. Here's the executive summary. Here's a problem. Your funnel is leaking at 3 critical points. Sign up to first video. First video shared and share to paid. And here's the opportunity. So 3 unlocks that compound, which are activation engineering, lifecycle email system, UGC fuel acquisition loop. And here's the solution. Activate, convert, retain, and amplify. It's simple and easy to understand. Here's a specific fit. So built around what Teller already has. So here you can see the features that it has. 7-day trial, instant upload, reaction and comments on videos, analytics, team collaboration, and subtitles and layouts. And then here you can see how to leverage these features. This is incredible. Here you can see a case study, how Loom went from 5% to 21% trial conversions through activation on fast onboard. This is incredible. So here is what they changed and the results that they achieved. This is awesome. The investment and value. So frame this as revenue engineering, not a cost line. So you can see over here is the executive timeline with different phases over here. And then the last slide is the next step slide with 3 clear asks and a call to action bar to prompt a reply or a response. This is really incredible. Love this. To download this presentation, I'll just download it right here. So successfully downloaded to our computer. This is how you can generate presentations using AI for absolutely free in Claude. You can see the beautiful looking presentations they can generate using Claude that are in line with your website, company, agency, or your brand. This is awesome. Now, if you'd like help automating tasks that you're currently doing manually in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those tasks that you're currently doing manually. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.